Yo, what's up, guys? This is your boy Geezy the DJ from the Unique Sounds, and welcome to my studio. What inspired my stage name is basically my name. My name is Lesego, so people used to call me LSG, and I'm like, okay, LSGZ. So that's how Geezy the DJ came up. Uthando lale nto liqale 2010. Started ngokumamela ama-mixtape, got inspired by the likes of DJ Crystal, Starkev, DJ Kent, Black Coffee. So I was like, you know what, man, these people, whatever that they're doing, man, it's just amazing. So I just decided, good cousin, let me try, let me see how far I can go with this. And then ngazithola vele sengishaya production around 2014. But with DJ I was back in 2010. Yeah, 2010. I was 11 years old when I started. Yeah, one day ngiyafisa ukuthi ngicollaborate naye Starkev, ngiyangithola, because honestly uye umuntu oyangi-inspire. Yeah, so I like, it would be a great thing for an artist to collaborate nomuntu or like who's been inspiring him all along. Yeah, I'm sorry. I know this thing. I know. The industry, man, is something else. But yeah, I could say ups and downs, especially when you're not that consistent. Yeah, you can face certain challenges, but otherwise, so figure that's your point. So far, so good. Dilo di a tlhakana. Dilo di a tlhakana, and I feel like more investors now, they are starting to invest in this entertainment thing on total, because I see a lot of artists, even upcoming artists, they get like the endorsements and stuff, so I believe already, we are coming all right. Best highlights. I could say it was in 2021. The time I went to Major League Studios, got to meet different artists, and from Major League to Simnandi. Same day from Simnandi to Piano Hub, Nkudi. That was like the biggest highlight in my musical journey. To say, hey, okay, boy, you can move from one place to the next, and like you can move from 0 to 100 if you keep doing what you do. And so there's a song by Convey, Coachella. It's about to drop as well. I think it's dropping on Friday. Not sure. But yeah, that song, I know. It's one of the best songs I've heard from a producer or any artist in G that I've came across. Coachella is one of the best. And yeah, people should look out for Convey's album. The Big Five. Well, it wasn't that much because I was just telling myself, you know what, I wanna start releasing these songs, and some of the artists engisebenza nabo on the big five, uh they're already out there trying to push, so why not join and see how far it goes, you see. So yeah, um it wasn't like too much admin until it was simplified in G, just to say gonna drop those songs bit by bit, you know. Hence like I said, the EP Gamala is the big five and so. So I wanted to like name it the first five, but I was like, nah, first five, no. So I won to city the big five and so. And yeah, it's the beginning, yeah, the big five actually. There's more to come. I think I'll be doing the big five 2.0, the big five 2.0 part 2 and so like, and I just want to explore and with the big five project because I have big ideas and so yeah, and I want to share them with people as well. First one is Utuma Manje by Post Busy. Second one is my second one favorite, Trip Trip. I just dropped it under Big Five project. It's featuring Jimmy. Yeah, dope song. And third song is by me and Fox Lazy, though, featuring Mashu and Madam MC Chomi. Yeah, basically that's my favorite song. Yeah, that's one of my favorite songs. Sure, yeah. Word of the day. I Kgopela modimo o fe matla, bra. Kgopela modimo o fe matla. It's hard out there. You're gonna need that strength. I'm working on 2 tracks so far. I'll be dropping one single with Nero Chi, The 100, and another one I'll be dropping is Simone with the Anonymous Drama from Band Orlando. TikTok at Geezy The DJ. YouTube, my YouTube channel is official Geezy SA. Spotify, Geezy The DJ. Facebook, Geezy. Or Lesechomia. But that's my personal account, so yeah. And we're Instagram at Geezy The DJ, at _Geezy The DJ. Yeah. Away.